Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope everyone are doing good. Now in this video I will discuss about the tips for writing books. So let's get started. First of all, we have to establish writing space. It means we have to find a, a specific place where we would write our books. Then assembling writing tools. We have to find and gather all the tools like pen, pencils, or any other instruments which are required while writing. Then breaking the project into small pieces. We should break the mm, whole project, like the whole idea about the book into a small parts so that it gets easier for us to write about any specific topic. Then settling on big idea. We have to settle the big idea into a smaller ideas so that it gets easier for us to write. Then constructing outline. We should outline the important points while writing about any topic. Then setting a firm writing schedule, firm deadline. We would fix a specific time for writing. Then conducting research. We should do research on the topic before we write. Then writing a compelling reader first opener. We should write anything that competes with other writers, and we would also give the introduction mm, attractively so that when the reader reads it, they got attracted to it. Then filling up a story with conflict and tension. We should arrange the story in a way that there is a conflict and mm, is- there is a story behind it. Then turning off internal editor while writing. We shouldn't we shouldn't correct any grammar mistakes or spelling mistakes while writing because it hampers our thinking capability if we focus on the spelling mistakes or any self editing. Then not to quit during the marathon of the middle. It's a very important tips to follow while writing a book. We shouldn't quit at the middle of writing books. Then number 12, writing a resounding ending. We should give a perfect conclusion so that the reader gets a gets an idea about what the book is about. Then finally becoming a ferocious, aggressive self-editor. We should self-edit the uh, the article we have written for our books. So that's it. Hope everyone understood the tips for writing books. If you have any query, then comment down below. Then that's it from this video. See you in the next one.